Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen. Today I'm hiking at one of my favorite places to enjoy nature, and that is at Oak Point Park and Preserve. Right now it's about 7 o'clock, right about 7 o'clock in the morning, and I thought I could make it out to see the sunrise, but it's already a little bit bright out here. The sun is out and about, but I'm gonna take y'all along this hike and we'll see how it goes. So there goes the sun back there. It's slowly rising. It's a beautiful day, but it is getting a lot hotter here in Texas, so I really have to choose what time I'm gonna go hike wisely, because today is actually gonna be up to 90 degrees, which is too hot for me, but it's Texas and we just gotta make it work. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a turtle in the water in there. Guys, it's a whole family of turtles and they're just like so cute. And then also there is a snake over there. It's too far for y'all to see, but there's literally a snake just like swimming across. Let me see if I can get it with my phone. Oak Point Park is a great place to enjoy nature and the outdoors. Right now I'm walking on the paved part of Oak Point. It's the section that loops around the pond. So if you want to get outdoors and you want to enjoy nature, check out Oak Point. Thank you for coming along this hike with me and watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to keep up with all of my outdoor adventures. See ya on the next hike.